What's going on? What's going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, shooting this video from rainy Kansas City today. I hope this video is finding you well. But definitely, most definitely, I wanted to kind of talk about the strategy, the direction as far as things that I've been doing, guys. I just kind of, I wanted to kind of get back to marketing things that is gonna literally help people. So, like I said, my things are like my econ, things like that. That's for you to help you. That's for the United States. That's for you to help your credit, things like that. But when it comes to this making money online thing, a lot of people, they're just stuck, man. They're dead in the water. And I wanted to start being involved in things that are going to allow you to make multiple streams of income and large incomes, large commissions, but also where you can learn and understand this thing in the same time. I get a lot of people, they say, boy, Jay, the $35 commissions is cool, $25 commissions is cool. But, I like those 250s. I like the 500s. I like getting paid $1,000, Those are the type of things that people like. And, I always say there's nothing wrong with $20, $30 income streams as well, because those are good things to have as residuals, things on the back end. And that's why you will see me promote things like SMS phone leads, Udemy solo ads, Builderall, the conversion pros, things like that, because these are things that people need at the end of the day when it comes to marketing. See, when you're looking at Builderall, you guys hear me talk about the conversion pros a lot, and I barely talk about Builderall. But Builderall is a powerful system as well. Now, it allows you to incorporate a lot of apps, do your own webinars, a lot more different things. Social proof, helps you with your SEO. I mean, it's literally, man, A to Z, from time integrating payment systems, and man, it's awesome. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with being in something that's going to separate you from the bunch, or something that's going to allow you to brand yourself and build something for your team. And that's why I have these things. See, when you look at the 60-day income challenge, the 60-day income challenge is set with multiple income streams, but it's also showing you the ins and outs of making money. So pretty much what it's saying is saying, okay, here is the main product that we're gonna have, right? So let's just say also, if you had a main company that you were promoting, right? You would have that company, you would have somebody just kind of showing proof, hyping the video up nice and before it actually comes in and breaks everything down and explains it all. Then once it explains it all, then it's going to show you how you actually can make all these commissions with this company. See, the thing is that a lot of people join the company and no one never tells you how to go out and promote the company, how to set things up. These systems that I've decided to start back promoting, they tell you how to do this. They're telling you how to set the systems up. They're telling you, saying, hey, this is the program. Also, this is where you can get leads from. And also, since you can get leads from here, when anyone also signs up for this funnel and also comes in under your link, you're going to get leads as well. So that's a win-win regardless. See, most people don't understand, and when you're putting people in a situation to be that way, or to have success, they won't understand it until it's actually brought to their attention and into their face. So that's why I decided to go ahead and start marketing things like the 60-day income challenge, or the million dollar income challenge. The $1 million challenge. Pretty much, guys, those are programs that they still all come to the same exact thing, except they're all showing different strategies on how to market and promote the main product. So now people feel like, okay, I can do this. I can make money with this, because they're showing me how to literally do this. They're showing me back from everything, guys. And also, what I'm going to do here, because I don't want to make this video very long, it's raining, I'm going to also have proof here at the bottom here, just showing you the success that people are having with this program, showing you the income, and the only thing you need to do is just click the link at the bottom, set up your, take the survey, see if it's fit for you, and then go ahead and just jump in, set up your free accounts, man, and just use the training in the back office. We're covering Facebook, YouTube, and core traffic, all free traffic sources right there, okay? And we're going to show you how to really make money on the free side, and we're going to show you how to do it on the paid side too. All right, win-win, man. So guys, it's Monday. It's a rainy day where I'm at, so I'm gonna get off this phone, get off this video, It's your boy Jay. Click the link at the bottom, set up your account, get your income streams going. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'm out.